Welcome to Speak Easy English. In today's video, we'll explore how to confidently start a conversation at a party or social event. Listen, learn, and practice with this fun dialogue between two new friends. Let's begin.
Hi, I don't think we've met before. My name is Alice.
Oh, hi Alice, I'm Taylor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Taylor. Do you know Sarah?
Yeah, we went to college together. We were roommates. How do you know her?
Really? That's cool. I work with Sarah. We're on the same team at work.
That's nice. She talks a lot about her job. Sounds like you have fun at work.
Oh, yes, we do. She always makes us laugh. So what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I make pictures and designs for websites and ads.
That's awesome. We use a lot of designs for our social media ads. Maybe I've seen your work.
Maybe. I work with lots of different clients. What kind of ads do you create?
We do all kinds of ads. Right now, I'm working on one for eco-friendly products. It's exciting, but also a bit hard.
That sounds interesting. Do you care about the environment?
Yes, very much. I like working on things that help protect nature.
That's great. I try to help too, but sometimes I forget my reusable bags when I shop.
That happens to me too. Now I keep extra bags in my car just in case.
Smart idea. I should do that. So, have you been to Sarah's parties before?
This is my first one. She's invited me before, but I was always busy. What about you? Yeah, I can tell. The food is delicious. Have you tried the brownies?
I've been to a few. Her parties are always fun. There's good food, good music, and nice people. Not yet. Everyone says they're great. Are they really that good?
Oh yes, I've already had 3 or maybe 4.
Haha, okay, I have to try one before they're gone.
You should. By the way, do you like to dance?
I don't know if you can call it dancing. I just move around awkwardly.
Haha, same here. I'm not good, but it's fun.
Exactly. We should dance later and show off our, skills.
So, what do you like to do when you're not working?
I enjoy photography. I love taking pictures of nature and cities.
That's so cool. Do you post your photos online?
Yes, I post on Instagram. I can show you later if you want.
I'd love to see them. Photography is a creative hobby.
It really is. What about you? Do you have any hobbies?
I like hiking. I enjoy walking on trails and seeing beautiful views.
That sounds relaxing. I've always wanted to try hiking. Do you have any favorite trails?
Yes, there's one about an hour from here with amazing views. You should go.
That sounds fun. Maybe you can show me the way sometime.
I'd be happy to.
Awesome. I'm glad we had this chat. It's great meeting someone with similar interests.
Same here. It's been really nice talking to you, Taylor.
You too, Alice. Let's keep in touch.
Definitely. Enjoy the rest of the party.
You too.
And that's how you can break the ice at a party. Notice how simple questions and shared interests keep the conversation flowing. Practicing these kinds of dialogues will help you build confidence and sound more natural in social settings. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more everyday English conversations. See you next time.